Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a listing in the Amazon Seller app. So basically delete a listing from your inventory. You can do this if something is sold out and you know you're not going to sell it again, just to kind of keep your inventory list clutter-free. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Amazon Seller app right here. So opening up the Amazon Seller app, and we need to go to inventory. The easiest way to do that is the top left-hand corner. You've got the three little lines. Click on the three little lines and then click on inventory, the second one from the top right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on inventory. This will pull up inventory, and then you have to check your filter to make sure you're actually looking at what you want to look at. So I'm going to click on filter in the bottom right hand corner, and just to show you what I'm looking at, I've got inactive listings right here that are fulfilled by Amazon. These are items that I know are sold out and they're fulfilled by Amazon, so that's how I know that I'm looking at the right stuff. So just for example, the third item down here, this Mario Kart Live home circuit, I sold one and I know I'm not going to buy any more, so I'm going to click on this listing. It pulls up all the information about it, you know, your price, the seller's offer, all that kind of stuff. But what we need to do is we need to go over to inventory. It's the second thing from the left. Click on inventory and it shows, it looks like I had one, it's sold and it's gone. So at the very bottom, you just scroll to the very bottom and you click delete listing right there. So click delete listing, it'll pop up and say, are you sure you want to delete this item? And then click yes, and then that will be deleted from your inventory. So that's it, pretty quick and easy and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.